The Voyager space probes, launched by NASA in 1977, have been on an incredible journey for over 4 decades. These twin spacecraft, Voyager 1 and Voyager 2, were initially designed to explore the outer planets of our solar system. They accomplished this mission spectacularly, providing humanity with the first close-up images and data of Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. But their journey didn't end there. They are now in interstellar space, sending back valuable data from beyond our solar system. To ensure these venerable spacecraft continue to function and send data back to Earth, NASA has rolled out a significant software update. This update is a remarkable feat, given the distance and the technology available at the time of their launch. Why a software update? The primary reason for this update is to address the challenges posed by the vast distance and the aging hardware of the Voyager probes. As they move further from Earth, the signals they send back become weaker and take longer to reach us. Moreover, the hardware on board is over 40 years old, making it susceptible to malfunctions and degradation. Key objectives of the update: power management. The power available to the Voyager spacecraft is dwindling. The update aims to optimize power consumption to extend the operational life of the probes. Communication efficiency, enhancing the communication protocols to ensure that data can be sent and received more efficiently, despite the weakening signals. Hardware preservation, implementing new algorithms to manage and preserve the aging hardware, reducing the risk of system failures. How is the update delivered? Updating software on a spacecraft billions of miles away is no small feat. The process involves sending commands via the Deep Space Network, a collection of large radio antennas located around the world. The DSN communicates with the spacecraft by sending signals that take over 21 hours to reach Voyager 1 and slightly less for Voyager 2. This delay requires precise planning and coordination. What's new in the software? So let's dive into the key improvements. First up, enhanced power management. The new software includes advanced power management protocols. These protocols are designed to shut down non-essential systems when not in use, conserve energy during low activity periods, and prioritize power allocation to critical systems. Given the limited power generated by the spacecraft's radioactive thermoelectric generators, these improvements are crucial. Next, improved data compression. Data compression algorithms have been upgraded to ensure that more information can be packed into each transmission. This means that despite the weaker signals, we can receive more data from the spacecraft. This is particularly important for the scientific instruments still operational on the probes. And finally, fault management. The update includes enhanced fault management protocols. These protocols help the spacecraft diagnose and respond to potential issues autonomously. For example, if a system begins to malfunction, the spacecraft can attempt to restart it or switch to a backup system without waiting for instructions from Earth. The challenges. Let's talk about some of the hurdles we face. Distance and delay. The vast distance means that any command sent to the spacecraft takes a long time to arrive, and responses are equally delayed. This makes real-time troubleshooting impossible and requires that the software be robust and capable of handling unforeseen issues independently. Old hardware. The hardware on the Voyager probes is ancient by today's standards. The software must work within the constraints of the limited processing power and memory available on these 1970s-era machines. Radiation and environment. The harsh environment of space, with high levels of radiation and extreme temperatures, can cause unpredictable behavior in both the hardware and software. The new update includes measures to mitigate these risks. Looking ahead. The software update is a testament to the ingenuity and dedication of the teams at NASA. It ensures that the Voyager probes can continue their mission of exploration and discovery for as long as possible. The data they send back from the edge of interstellar space is invaluable, providing insights into regions of space that we have never explored before. The update also highlights the incredible foresight of the engineers who designed the Voyager spacecraft. Their robust design and the ability to update the software decades later underscore the longevity and success of these missions. In conclusion, the Voyager software update is a critical step in ensuring that these pioneering spacecraft continue to expand our understanding of the universe. As they journey further into the unknown, They carry with them the spirit of exploration and the hope of discovery, proving that even after 40 years, their mission is far from over. If you like this video, please subscribe to this channel. Bye.